Okay, so guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can install Ubuntu in your Windows 11 without even installing it in a virtual machine or dual boot in your system. It's a feature in Windows 11, guys. So just go to your CMD and you'll see something called Ubuntu right now. As you guys can see, click on Ubuntu and it will error you because it is not installed in your PC, I think. So how you can install it is by typing only one command, guys, which is WSL -- install. It will install Ubuntu in your system, guys. It's downloading right now. It is the Windows Subsystem for Linux, guys. So it will install Ubuntu in your system and you can use that without any problem. So yeah, guys, Linux and Windows in the same system, guys. How crazy it is, guys. Technology is right now is on another level, guys. So let's download Ubuntu, guys. It is downloading and now the download is complete, as you guys can see. Now after installing it, just type WSL here. I can just use Ubuntu like any kind of another Linux system, guys, and it has all the files, all the commands of Ubuntu. Right now it is Ubuntu, guys. So yeah, this is how you can install Ubuntu in your system. This is very easy, very straightforward. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe this channel and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.